Hello and welcome to another edition of Applied History. I'm Matt Blanchette of Historic Hometowns, and we're here in Boxford, graciously invited by Vaughn and Laura. Hi guys.
Hey.
And we're also joined by esteemed Housewright Matt Diana of Matt Diana Housewrights. Thanks for being with us today, everybody. Laura, can you tell us a little bit about why you love this property and decided to move here?
Well, I love the property because when we first came, well actually, and even now, when you look out from the kitchen window, you see this beautiful vista, and it's just very relaxing and calming. And I thought that this would be a really great place for my daughter, who is then in third grade, to grow up.
Awesome.
And it has been a great place because she's able to ride horses, she has goats, she has bunnies.
That's perfect. And Vaughn, I understand this used to be an apple orchard. Can you tell us a little bit about the history of the land here?
Sure. So this farm was settled in the 1660s, 1670s. What you're seeing behind you is the second house. The first house was built here in the 1730s, and the son of that builder built this house in his middle age after he had made a lot of money farming and having a large apple orchard and cider mill here. This house was built in 1818.
Okay.
It has been added on a little bit since then.
Excellent. Fantastic. And then we're joined by Matt Diana, a graduate of North Bennet Street School. And what did you hire Matt to do on this property in general?
Well, we have this carriage house that was kind of not straight anymore. It was starting to lean. It had been abused and was structurally damaged.
Yeah.
And Matt convinced us that he could fix it up without tearing it down and starting all over.
Awesome.
And that's what
Great.
he's done.
Fantastic. So we're very excited to dive right in. Join us next time when Matt's going to give us an overview of what he started with and where he's at. I'm excited to share this project with you. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.